Gappsi built this outdoor kitchen on Dune Road in East Quogue, New York. We utilized white oak power coated aluminum cabinets. We installed Delta grill and griddle and a sink and a summer refrigerator. The countertop is still gray in a leather finish. We built a louver pergola over the kitchen. The pergola can be open or closed with the remote control. We also installed lighting on the pergola. The island is equipped with a spicy cabinet, drawers, we installed privacy slots on one side. We left the other side open. The client didn't want to lose the view over the water from the inside of the house. This kitchen is built on the second floor deck facing the ocean at Dune Road. This is the latest outdoor kitchen installation built by Gappsi in East Quogue, New York.